Man, you lick your finger. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Wonderboy Farm. Today we're going to do red peas. We're going to mold these red peas because they just plant, but you got to show the red peas some love. You show it some love, then it multiply more. It multiply more, then you can share it with your friends and family. When I plant, I give a little bit to the community. I give my friends and family some, and I keep some for myself. Don't be selfish. Always give and you will receive in the end. Even God will give you thanks then, just as I speak. So I plant this row of red peas and I'm going to show it some love. So ladies and gentlemen, you come along with me with the journey. This call, I'm going to mold the red peas. Mold up the roots then. So ladies and gentlemen, when you mold the roots then, you get more growth. That means you're giving the roots them more strength. So right now I'm molding the red peas then. I'm putting up the dirt to the roots. That means I'm giving them some love and I'm giving them some strength. So therefore, they don't have no choice more than to bear, ladies and gentlemen, and they're going to bear. And I'm going to take you from when they're bearing to when they're reaping. You're going to see the big difference, ladies and gentlemen, what I'm telling you. And I'm going to even show you the bearing of the red peas, how it bear. I'm going to definitely show you the bearing. Come along with me to the journey. And I'm going to show you from start to finish, ladies and gentlemen, how it works. So I'm molding up their root right now. You know, as I said, show them some love. Just show them a lot of love and you get your growth. And that's what I'm doing now. I'm showing them love, ladies and gentlemen. Showing them love. You know, show them love. And as I said, ladies and gentlemen, this is an organic farm. You know, we use no pesticides here. No fertilizer, no pesticides. This is an organic farm. So I want you to come along with me with the journey. You just got to show these plants love. You know, you can't plant them and leave them. You just show them some love and then they will produce for you. But you just can't plant them and leave them, you know. And this is what I'm doing now. I'm showing them love. Just like this. See, ladies and gentlemen, I'm showing them love. Wonderboy showing them love. You know, all these things, if you got the good weather where you are, all these things when summer come, you can plant them. And you're going to see so much you achieve. All I'm doing, ladies and gentlemen, show them love. Ladies and gentlemen, I like to eat from my farm. When I eat from my farm, I know where my food is coming from. You know, some of we people not fortunate as me, but you can make a box, put it in your front yard like a flowers. Guys, these do bloom like a flowers. Bloom some pretty flowers. You know, so you can put this even in your front yard like a flowers. And it's bare. And it give you fruits. You know? And this is a healthy bean. Red peas is healthy for you. And ladies and gentlemen, I don't like when these red peas dry. You know I like it? I like it when they're just brown chocolate. And when I pick them and put it into rice and bean, some people call it rice and bean, but we call it rice and peas. And when you put that peas into rice and peas, man, you lick your finger. Ladies and gentlemen. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm showing these roots love. And don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to keep you updated of what I'm doing. I'm going to take you all along in the journey what I'm doing. But I want you people to like and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Share it with your neighbors. Say, look at Wonder Boy. There is great things can happen right in your backyard. You know, you build a box and you plant in the earth. Who don't have box, just just get the big flower spot and plant your roots them in there. And just put them out on your back porch or put them out in your front yard. And they just stay there and flourish. And as I says again, if worm taking your plants, you can get the fire hash. Even the hash that you maybe burn chicken or who don't burn chicken, jerk chicken, even that fire hash. Or who can't catch up fire? Just get the cayenne pepper and just blend it up in the blender and put it into a spray bottle and just spray your plants in. No insect bother you. That's a lesson from Wonder Boy. I'm just drinking my Corona. The time is hot, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh yeah.
This is nice. One Corona for Wonder Boy. I'm not talking about the Corona will kill a lot of people. No, I'm going to bless up these sweet corn. This is real sweet corn. And I'm going to bless up all these sweet corn, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to show them love. Look how I'm going to show the sweet corn and love, ladies and gentlemen. This is the A that I feed the goats them and sheep with. See it? Watch how I'm going to show them love. You see, when you do this and put them at the root, ladies and gentlemen, it keep the roots cool. See, I got all the chicken manure down. Look at it. This is all the chicken manure, ladies and gentlemen, I got down already. Look at it. They're nice. So you keep the root cool. So this is what I'm doing. Say, there's nothing waste on Wonder Boy farm, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing waste. See? And this is also manure. So we put them down on the farm and we keep these things root clean, good, nice and cool, you know. Nothing go to waste, ladies and gentlemen, on Wonder Boy farm. See? See, ladies and gentlemen, there's nothing comes easy. You got to work for what you want. And that's what I'm doing, ladies and gentlemen, right here. Nothing comes easy. Wonder Boy's a working man. Ladies and gentlemen, so you know we this is what, and I'm going to take you along at the journey, ladies and gentlemen, because Wonder Boy is coming to you live and direct, you know. So when we do the roots like this, and then the water comes in, ladies and gentlemen, and keep the root cool and nice. So when I take out all these sweet corn out of here, the dirt is already have a lot of manure inside of it, where you can just plow it up again and put in a next crop. So therefore, right here, when I use the hay that the goats them don't eat, I mulch the grounds with it, and therefore it becomes better and better with the soil. So therefore we got a good soil here. If you look on this corn, there's no fertilizer on these corn. These corn is all organic. If you look at it, no fertilizer. Look at the corn, or they look highly and juicy. Look at it. See? You see the corn? Look at it. See how they look nice? So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you got a lesson from Wonder Boy, a little teaching from Wonder Boy. How to plant your vegetable, how to make your vegetable grow. I hope you get a lesson. And always plant in your backyard, plant in your front yard. Just juke something around you, and then you're surprised to know, instead of to buy 2 peg of corn, ladies and gentlemen, you can come in your backyard and you pick 2 corn. And you heat your corn, what you grow in the backyard. That's when I pick all these corn, they so juicy, they so nice, and they so sweet, and they just pure and they natural. They just pure and natural. So when you heat these corn, you're heating good healthy corn, ladies and gentlemen. So what I wanted to do, like, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, go over to Wonder Boy, watch Wonder Boy video, and Wonder Boy show you a whole lot of different things, what he do. So I want you to like, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. Big up Wonder Boy. I'll catch you on the next video, ladies and gentlemen, live and direct. Peace out for now.